Hello people, let's walk in affluent area of southwest Clapham, where houses are like £5 million. Very fancy. Look at this. Nice. Everything is pristine, beautifully manicured, lovely detail. I love that. I tell you a lot that London is a city of massive contrast, right? Rich and poor, the city is divided. And even on this street, you've got obviously a separation, because look at those, right? They look stunning. All of them, they look perfect. But then we've got that side. And it looks worse. So I guess this side is more expensive than this side. Ugh, typical London. Right, Magic, show me an example of wealth. There you go. A little house. Nice. Look at the contrast between those two. Guys, this is hilarious. Because this street, right, this whole area, it's very affluent, very expensive houses. As you can see, all of them just stunning, beautiful, right? 5-6 million pounds, I guess. And look what they've done. Oh, I assume there was a massive protest when they were building this monstrosity for all those rich people with those beautiful houses. It's like, how can you ruin this area with something like this? Oh gosh, hilarious. I mean, oh gosh. Just breathtaking, I would say, breathtaking. Do you want to be transformed in old London, historical London, charming but also quite scary? There you go. Yep, it's interesting, it's charming, but it could be a horror movie scene. And again, the contrast, like just look behind me, right? It's screaming like, hello, put the makeup on and look at the opposite side of the road. I bet. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful is this. stunning. I mean, oh gosh, so beautiful. Look how pristine and manicured and precise everything is done here. So stunning. This is interesting. So they are showing you here. This is cool. Well, cool. Construction, construction, construction. Everywhere. The London sound of constructions. Oh. You know what I love about England? This. That is very short, and it's kind of welcoming. In Poland, it's completely different. So everyone is building like very tall fences, right? It's mine. You can't access it. Where in England, it's very tasteful, like, you know, more accessible, I would say. It tells a lot about the culture and mentality. Guys, should we do something very naughty? I should go there, but let's walk here. There you have it, Royal Post. Lime bikes. London plague. They are so ugly and invasive. Gales is the symbol of London gentrification. It's the most popular bakery for people with money and status. This is amazing about England. You know, I'm from Poland, and Catholic Church is not accessible at all. It's quite scary, right? In England, it's welcoming, and I love about this. It's this about the UK, like you've got a cafe over here, but also look at this. Pride Month. Welcome to St. Andrews, right? This church is inclusive church. How fantastic is this? And then you've got cafe inside. Oh. It's brilliant. Look at this. It's cafe inside the church. I love it. Oh gosh, this is another symbol of the UK. The corner shop that looks like this. I mean, what can I say? I love that. I like Earlsfield. It feels normal, not offensive, quite inclusive. The state of those bikes, they are so gross. I mean, right, anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you next time.